Children, good evening. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Today I am going to talk to you about one slokam in Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavan is talking about our program. So it will be very interesting for you also and equally interesting for me also. So this is from chapter 10 of Bhagavad Gita. Anybody who has got some exposure to chapter 10 of Bhagavad Gita, you can unmute and you can tell now. 10.9 தெரியுமா?
மச்சித்தா மத்கதா பிராணா போதயந்தः பரஸ்பரம் கதயந்தश्च மாம் நித்யம் துஷ்யந்தி ச ரமந்தி ச.
Very good. Super, Shrinika. Very good. Thank you very much. I will tell you what is special in that with regard to our program. And I will give you a very brief meaning about it, general meaning about it. So I'm not going to talk about any of the concepts or any philosophies. This is just a mention about our program in the sloka, which I'm going to bring out in a different way. Okay, so let us go to slokam 10.9. Machchitta madgata pranaha bodhayanta parasparam kathayantasya man nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So in this sloka, we can see the general meaning. The Bhagavan is talking about the bhaktas, the devotees, what they do. My true devotees are doing something like this. And Bhagavan is telling this to Arjuna. What are they doing? Machchitta, those who fix their mind in me. Madgata pranaha, those who have surrendered to me. So these are my devotees. Bodhayanta parasparam, they are enlightening themselves with the divine knowledge and parasparam, one another. Kathayantasyaman nityam, kathayanta, that is speaking, and nityam, continuously they are also speaking. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti means they are enjoying. Ramanti also means they are enjoying, delightful, they are delighting. So they are delighting also, they are enjoying also. This is the activity of my true devotees. So in that way, here in the children program, Kathayantaha, the children are speaking. This speaking means all. It includes telling slokas, telling stories, telling the Puranas and also the anecdotes, telling the pasurams, bhajans, etc., everything, all in praise of the Lord. So which you are doing already. All our children are giving this every week and very nicely also. And this kathayantaha, this speaking is so nice that it results in enjoying mutually. How it is enjoying mutually? Because when you are reciting, you are enjoying yourself and reciting. And when we are listening to it, we are also enjoying and we are listening to it. So by reciting, you are enjoying, and by listening, we are enjoying. So it is parasparam enjoyment. So in this way, it is great that it has given very good opportunity to all our children to kathayanta, to speak, to recite the slokas, the Puranas, the stories, the pasurams, the bhajans, etc., of Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, Lord Mahavishnu. Thus, you are enjoying and we are also enjoying. So, what is special about it, we have seen. But what is more special about it in this slokam and as produced by Sri Ramanuja? Because this particular thing is very special in Sri Vaishnavism. I have been talking to you about who is a Sri Vaishnava some time back. So you know, in Sri Vaishnava, as Andal said, Kudi irundu kulirndelo rembavai. We are not supposed to enjoy God alone. So we enjoy with a goshti. So somebody is singing, we listen to it and we enjoy. Somebody is reciting slokas, we listen to it and we enjoy. So in the same way, goshti is important. So this sloka brings out that fact. Bodhayanta parasparam. And Ramanuja in his Bhashyam has written Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha means both mean one and the same, enjoying and enjoying. What is different is one is enjoying by speaking, another one is enjoying by listening, like in our program. So Swami has written, Vaktaraha tat vachanena tushyanti, shrotarascha tat shravanena ramante. So Vaktaraha, those who are talking, tat vachanena tushyanti, by talking they are enjoying. Shrotarascha, those who are listening, tat shravanena, by listening, that because of their listening, ramante, enjoying. So this one which is distinguished by Swami Ramanuja in his Bhashyam, he has said very clearly what is tushyanti and what is ramayanti. Whereas other Bhashkaras, they did not give very clearly what is tushyanti, ramayanti. We Sri Vaishnavas, we always require a goshti and we enjoy in goshti. So Swami in that way, he has said very clearly, tushyanti means those who are telling, they are enjoying. Ramayanti means by listening, they are enjoying. So these two enjoyments really make the God very happy, which God happily says in 10.9 sloka of Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. So once again, in this sloka, Lord Krishna proudly says, my true bhaktas, they listen to each other. They tell stories about me and they enjoy. They listen to it and they enjoy. So these things is happening exactly in our program. That is why I said this sloka brings out about our program, and the Lord Krishna has talked about our program in this sloka 10.9. So it is so special, it is nice, and all you children are very special, and thank you very much for listening to this. Kshamita Prarthakam, thank you. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.